Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ishan Kesavani and I will show you today an example to prove in abstraction. So first of all, what is an abstraction? Abstraction is basically the concept of showing only the essential features and hiding the background details. So you can check my previous video on the OOP concepts where I have explained the abstraction in much detail. So first of all, I will be creating a new package and I have a project named Java test, and here I will create a new package. So click to new and go to Java package, and I will name this as a abstraction and click finish. Now what I will do is I will create some classes in this. So I will achieve the concept of abstraction with the help of abstract method. And we how can we define abstract methods? We can define abstract methods with the help of the abstract keyword. So let's see. First of all, I will be defining a class named books, and let me delete all this. Yes, so an abstract class can be defined with the help of the abstract keyword. So I need to write abstract here. So this class has now become an abstract class, and now I will define an abstract method in this. So an abstract class may or may not have an abstract method, but I will be defining an abstract method, and an abstract method does not have any body. Abstract void book. So you might wonder that how we are going to use this method if it has no body. So we will be using this method in the next class, which will inherit this class books. Okay, so now we will create another method, and this time we will create a simple method, public void book name. And now I will simply print a statement, system dot out dot print ln, and here I will be printing Java book. Oh sorry. And now I will define a new class, and the class name will be new books, which will extend this class books. So let me define another class within the same package, and I will be defining a new class named new books, and let me delete all this and this also, and public class new books extends books. Now I will simply create the body of our abstract method here in this new class. So how to create that? Simply write public void book, and here I will write a statement, system dot out dot print ln, and here I will write a programming book. Yes. Now what will I do is I will create another class, and that class will be using as a main class. So let me create a new class, and new class named as say abstract, and let me delete all this. And now what will I do is I will just create a main method, public static void main string args, and here I will create the object of this new books class. So how to create an object? Just simple, we can use new keyword. So new books object is b is equals to new books, Yes. Now I will call the method book which is defined in this new books object. So let me call it b dot book, and now b dot book name, which I have defined in this books class. See, you can see that book name exists in the books.java class. So now let me just compile and run this program. Right click here and run file. So I am not getting any output, so let's see what is the problem. Oh, yeah, the output is back. So you can see that I've got the output as programming book and Java book, because I've print out programming book, which was defined the book method in the new books class, and the books class has a print statement of Java book. So that's why I've got the output. And these all the classes are called from this abstract class. So this was the concept of the abstraction. So you have seen that how simply we can achieve abstraction in Java. So please subscribe to our channel for more such programming videos. Thank you.